Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to check out your energies from 29th of June till 4th of July, and you will see your guidance messages. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. I'll be seeing your past, present and future energies in this reading, and we will clarify all the cards as well. Okay, so let's get started with your reading now. For my Taurus, what's going on in the past, present and future? What is going on? And this will be a sun, moon, rising and Venus sign video. Okay, so you can check any of your other signs as well if one does not resonate with you. All right, please, past, present and future for my Taurus, 29th of June till 4th of July. Past, present and future. At the back of the deck, we have the Hanged Man, we have the Five of Swords, 10 of Pentacles, the Star, 3 of Swords, and the High Priestess. Okay, so this could have been a long distance relationship. If you are waiting for somebody to call you, or there's some kind of a blockage, there's some kind of argument or something like that, because the energies are coming like that, because you are being victimized. Something is fishy around you. You are really going on from something, because it's like there's a strong heartbreak which is going on. This can be somebody from something you are recovering, because this is the Hanged Man energy. So I'm seeing that you are really having strong hopes from this relationship, because this was a very perfect relationship, and you still have hopes from that relationship. Although it became very toxic, it was something which was really, you got that intuition inside you. You got that strong feeling that this is not going to be very easy, but you are going through that situation where everything is shut off with this person or the situation. Everything has been ended, but still you have strong hopes from the past energies, from something in relation with this thing. Okay, so in your present, we have the Four of Swords, the Page of Swords, and the Strength card. So past energies are telling me that yes, you are already healing from that situation. You were at peace, you were at harmony, you were trying to balance out yourself. There was strong communication which went all of a sudden, which broke, which ended. You really wanted to continue this thing, but it ended, and now there's no communication, what I'm getting. Your present energies are the Lovers, the King of Wands, and Justice. So we'll clarify all these energies, do not worry, in a bit only. So the Lovers energy, sometimes what happens is the universe tries to tell you what you are going through. So but we do not understand. We always think that whatever is going on, it should not happen the way it is going on. What I want, that is how it works. That is how it should work, and that is what you are blaming. You might be blaming universe, you might be blaming other things, your present, your past, you might be blaming that. But this is the karmic balance, basically what is going on. This might be a past life karmic person with whom you were really close enough. There was sudden attraction, sudden love energies are coming up. It was sudden, but it had to end, because I'm getting strong ending energies. In the coming future, we have the Queen of Swords, 3 of Cups, and the Tower. There must be a third person also in the situation. 3 of Cups also tells us about a third party relationship, because you are here the one who is waiting for the person, because Queen of Swords, she knows everything what is going on. She might not say it sometimes, but she knows what is going on, because with the High Priestess also we know that means you already know what is going on with you, around you, that. So I'm really getting there's sudden something, sudden break, sudden ending. Something is coming towards an end. There is a shocking incident which might happen in your coming future. You have to be aware about that. Okay, One more thing which I'm getting is you might be going through a process of divorce or something like that, and the divorce is coming towards an end if you are waiting for that thing. So this is a very strong, because the Queen of Swords is the divorcee. She's the divorcee queen or the widow queen of the deck. So yes, she is single. So that is what I'm getting, that you are becoming single because everything is coming towards an end and you are celebrating about that situation. So yes, if those things are happening, so it's a good thing. Okay. Alright, let's clarify now. And if you want to book a personalized reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Okay, now let's see the overall energies. Give me some more clarification for the overall energies for my Taurus. More clarification energies for my Taurus. Okay, more clarification energies for Taurus, overall energies, please. 3 shuffles. Judgment, Lovers, Devil. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take just 3 cards because these means a lot. There is strong attachment and detachment with this person, with this situation, because the Judgment Day has come up. So this is for you. This is the overall energy. You know, you might be going through highs and lows, you know, at extreme level, because this is like a sudden decision which you have to make all of a sudden, because the Tower card has come up in future, but this might have happened with you at present only, because it's like you are really so much attracted towards this situation, towards this person, towards this process, that you're not able to detach from it. And you know you have to detach. You know that this is becoming very toxic and you cannot be in that situation anymore. You know that, but you cannot do anything, you know, with the Judgment. It's like the calling is there, okay? The decision making you have to do. Do not just hope for the things to get better by themselves. No, right now it's your time to take some decision making. Okay, so let's get the cards for my Taurus for 4 of Swords in the past energies. 4 of Swords. Why the 4 of Swords is here in the past? Four of Swords. 7 of Pentacles. I think you were the one who was really waiting. You wanted to move on with the same person only, with the same situation. You were waiting for them to connect with you, to talk to you. You invested a lot of energy and time in this thing, but then you got separation only. You know how much, no matter how much love you will give, you will get the separation with this person, because this is the karmic cycle in which you are involved. See, 4 of Pentacles. You are not able to let go of this person or the situation. It's really hard for you. There might be some stalking energies also coming up with the Page of Swords. So you might be stalking, or your person might be stalking you, because this is that, you know, past energies. I'm also getting the Mercury retrograde situation which is going on. It will end on 22nd June. Well, it will end tomorrow only, but the after effects also happen till 1 week. So that is why you might be going through that. You are not able to let go of the past person. You might be getting some dreams about this person as well, so from somebody in the past, and that is why the things are happening. Or your person might also be getting some dreams, because there are strong stalking, strong dreaming energies. Let's see why the Page of Swords has come up with the King of Swords. So yes, this is a strong cut with the person, but the emotions are still there. No talking, but emotionally there's a connection which you are not able to end. Let's see why the Strength card is here in the past energies. 2 of Swords. See, your inner strength, your inner intuition, whatever we talk about, you know, your courage, everything is trying to tell you, trying to take you away from that person, that situation, but it's like you are not letting it happen. You are saying that no, I'm really ready to wait. You are really still on 2 sides of a coin. You know, you are not able to be, you are not, I don't see that you are accepting the changes. It's really hard for you to accept the past changes. You have to. No hopes left. I don't see any hopes. I don't see any more thing with this person, with this past person. Okay, so the Lovers card, why the Lovers energy is here in the present, why the Lovers energy is here in the present. Too many cards. Lovers energy, King of Wands, Knight of Wands with the Moon card. So yeah, there's nothing left of the situation, Taurus. If you are waiting for this person, this strong Sagittarius and Pisces energy coming up, with Gemini, Libra energies. Yeah, strong Libra, Gemini, Aries, Sagittarius energies. Yeah. One more card. I need some clarification. Three of Cups. If you are waiting for this person, just let me show you one thing. Let me tell you one thing, that this person is not the one who will always stay with you. It's always like, you know, the energies will always keep on changing, like sometimes this person, sometimes that person, because strong hidden energies are coming, because they are trying to be either, you know, the playboy kind of energies are coming. You know, they are really the flirtatious energies. They are flirting with other people, other girls. They are going and they are partying, although you feel that, you know, that this is the person you feel, but they are busy. See, Seven of Swords also has come up. So there's nothing left of the situation. That is why I am really getting all the cards. I am really clarifying again and again. But yes, the same energies are coming today. Okay, Taurus. So let's see why the Justice is here for my Taurus. Why the Justice card is here. Knight of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Temperance. Things are coming towards an end. If you are, as I already told you, if you're going through some court issues, things are coming towards an end. There is the side, you are the one who is getting the authority, or you are the one who is getting the justice. If you were the one who was given injustice before, you know. But yes, things were slow, really slow, and the endings are really tough sometimes, but I'm really getting the energies now that, yeah, things are coming towards an end. Finally, it's coming towards an end now. So let's see Queen of Swords energy. Why the Queen of Swords has come up in the future cards with the Queen of Swords again. Yeah. I'm getting that you are cutting off, you know what, the decision making which was done, which has to be done in the judgment, in your overall energy, the decision making, you are going to do that decision making, and you are coming towards an end with the person or with this toxic relationship. That is what I feel with the Ace of Cups. See, new beginnings. You are welcoming new beginnings in your life. You are ending the past things with the toxic person, toxic situations around you, and you are working towards something good. Wow. So Three of Cups energy. Why is it here? See, Nine of Wands. You are blocking all the negativities around you, and you are working towards the positive. You are leaving behind the bad people, bad situations, the bad ones, and you are walking forward. Wow. The Tower energy. Why the Tower is here? What ending we are talking about here? See, talking and clearing out stuff. Whatever you might be even communicating with somebody and then ending. You know, this might be an ending with, it will be a sudden ending only, but yes, you might be communicating. For some of you, you might be communicating with the person, you might be clearing out stuff, and then you will be ending. But for some of you, it will be a sudden ending. What else do we have? Five of Cups with the Seven of Wands. Yes, you are taking your stand. You will be fighting for your own beliefs, for yourself, and I don't see any regrets from your side for the past. This will be the person who is going to get, you know, the other person. Your person will be feeling regretted that what I have done with the Taurus, because you are there is strong stubborn energies in your end. But yes, when a decision taken by Taurus is done, so it's no going back. So yes, I am seeing that your decision making is coming towards an end, and you are taking a strong decision, and that will be better for you. Alright, so that is all from my side, Taurus. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.